Do you really know about Auritine supplement? Hi guys, my name is Julia and I am 45 years old. Do you want to know if Auritine supplement is worth it? Do you want to know what is innovative about the formula of this product? Is this formula as powerful as people say? What are the risks after using this supplement? These questions and other important information about Auritine I will tell you in this review. So, if you are looking for more information about it and want to preserve your health from collateral damage, please watch this video until the end, because I will tell you everything you need to know about Auritine, what happens when we take this supplement, the side effects and where to buy it safely. I also have some really important alerts, so pay close attention to this video. So guys, the first alert is be careful with the website you're gonna buy Auritine, because today, this product is only sold on this official website that I am showing. And I'm telling you this because I have seen many people damaging their health, having health problems, like diarrhea, stomach aches, headaches, by buying Auritine on counterfeit sites. You have to be very careful with these sites because they are using adulterated nutrients in the counterfeit Auritine formula. And to help you, I left the link to the official website down below in this video's description. You can click there later and see a little bit more about it. And the second alert, guys, is for you to be careful with these other videos that people say they used Auritine and had miraculous results, but do not believe it, because there are no miracle supplements and many scammers are leaving the fake product link for you to click. After all, what is Auritine and what ingredients are present in the formula? Auritine is a dietary supplement that was produced after many years of studies by top scientists in the United States who found the most powerful ingredients capable of treating our tinnitus and diminishing the horrible noises we hear. Although tinnitus has no cure yet, this supplement helps us to cope with this difficult situation, recovering our quality of life and giving us a normal life again. But what is different about this product's formula compared to others on the market? Auritine is not like anything else you've ever seen, because it's the only product in the world with natural ingredients from remote regions of the highest purity to fix your nutrient brain cell inflammation, BCI, the key cause of your tinnitus.